Hey beauties! Today I'm sharing my top 5 simple tips for achieving gorgeous, smooth skin and perfect brows right at home. I truly believe that beauty comes from within, but a little enhancement never hurt anyone, right? We're going to unlock those secrets to radiant skin and brows that wow! Whether you're a skincare newbie or a beauty enthusiast, these easy-to-follow tips will help you elevate your beauty routine without breaking the bank. Remember, true beauty is about enhancing what you already have and feeling confident in your own skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more beauty tips and tricks. And let's build an amazing community of beauty lovers, sharing tips and uplifting each other. Alright, let's start with the foundation of any good beauty routine: skincare. It's like prepping a canvas before creating a masterpiece. The first step is cleansing. Imagine your skin is like a magnet throughout the day, attracting all sorts of dirt, pollution, and impurities. Our cleanser is like a gentle sweep, removing all those unwanted particles without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Next up, toning. Think of this step as hitting the refresh button for your skin. A good toner will help to balance your skin's pH levels and tighten those pores, creating a smoother surface. It preps your skin to absorb all the goodness of your moisturizer. And finally, the grand finale, moisturizing. This is like giving your skin a tall glass of water after a long day. Moisturizer helps to hydrate and plump up your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and giving you that coveted dewy glow. Remember, beauties, consistency is key. Make these 3 steps a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, morning and night, and watch your skin transform. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. When choosing a cleanser, opt for something gentle and pH balanced to avoid stripping your skin of its natural oils. If you have oily skin, a gel-based cleanser can work wonders, while those with dry skin might prefer a creamy formula. For toning, look for ingredients like rosewater or witch hazel, which have soothing and astringent properties. And when it comes to moisturizers, choose one that suits your skin type. Remember, beauties, skincare is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works best for you and your skin type. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products until you find your holy grail routine. Now, who doesn't love a little at-home spa day? It's the perfect way to relax, unwind, and give your skin some extra love. And the best part? You can whip up a luxurious face mask right in your own kitchen using simple, natural ingredients. One of my all-time favorite DIY masks is a simple honey and yogurt mask. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. Plus, its antibacterial properties can help to keep breakouts at bay. Yogurt, on the other hand, is a natural source of lactic acid, a gentle exfoliant that helps to brighten and even out skin tone. It's also incredibly soothing, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin. To make this mask, simply mix together 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt until you achieve a smooth consistency. Apply it evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Now this is the best part. Put on some relaxing music, close your eyes, and let the mask work its magic for about 15 to 20 minutes. While you wait, you can even pop on some cucumber slices on your eyes for that extra spa-like experience. Once the time is up, gently rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You'll be amazed at how soft, smooth, and radiant your skin looks and feels. This DIY honey and yogurt mask is like a mini spa treatment for your face. Trust me, your skin will love you for it. And the best part is, it's all natural and budget-friendly. Now let's talk about brows. They say your eyebrows frame your face, and I couldn't agree more. Perfectly groomed brows can instantly elevate your entire look, making you appear more polished and put together. Don't worry, beauties, you don't need to be a professional to achieve brow perfection. With a few simple techniques and the right tools, you can easily shape and fill in your brows like a pro right at home. First things first, let's talk about shaping. The key to flattering brows is to work with your natural brow shape. Don't try to fight it or force it into a shape that doesn't suit your face. Start by brushing your brow hairs upwards with a spoolie brush. This will help you to see your natural brow shape and identify any stray hairs that need to be tweezed. When tweezing, remember to go slow and steady, removing only a few hairs at a time to avoid overplucking. Once you're happy with the shape, it's time to fill them in. A brow pencil is a great tool for beginners because it allows for precise application. Choose a shade that matches your natural brow color or slightly lighter for a more natural look. Start by lightly sketching the outline of your brows, following your natural brow shape. Then, using short feathery strokes, fill in any sparse areas. The key is to mimic the look of natural brow hairs. Once you're done filling, use the spoolie brush again to blend the product and soften any harsh lines. This will give you a more natural, effortless look. You know I'm all about sharing my favorite products with you guys. Finding the right skincare and brow products can make all the difference in your beauty routine. And the good news is, you don't have to break the bank to achieve amazing results. For cleansing, I absolutely love the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. It's gentle, effective, and perfect for all skin types. Plus, it's super affordable. When it comes to toning, I always reach for Thayer's Witch Hazel Toner. It's a cult classic for a reason. The rose petal formula is incredibly soothing and helps to minimize pores without drying out my skin. And for moisturizing, I'm currently obsessed with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. It's lightweight, oil-free, and leaves my skin feeling so hydrated and plump. Now, let's talk brows. My go-to brow pencil is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. It's a cult classic for a reason. The ultra-fine tip allows for precise application, and the formula is long-lasting and smudge-proof. And to set my brows in place all day long, I use the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. It adds a touch of color, volume, and hold, keeping my brows looking perfectly groomed from morning till night. Remember, beauties, these are just a few of my personal favorites. It's all about finding what works best for your skin type and preferences. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products until you discover your own holy grail routine. Alright, beauties, let's talk about some bonus tips that go beyond skincare and makeup. True beauty radiates from within. It's about taking care of yourself from the inside out. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water. Water flushes out toxins and keeps your cells happy. Next, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Your skin will thank you. And don't underestimate self-care. It's essential, not selfish. Nourish your body with healthy foods. Fruits, vegetables, and whole grains are beneficial for your skin. And don't forget healthy fats. Foods like avocados and nuts keep your skin youthful. Lastly, protect your skin from the sun. Wear sunscreen every day. True beauty is about more than makeup and skincare. Take care of yourself from the inside out. Drink water, get sleep, eat greens, protect your skin, and prioritize self-care. You deserve it. Thanks for watching, beauties! If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty secrets. Remember, true beauty is about enhancing your natural features and feeling confident in your own skin. Share your own skincare secrets in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys and learning about your favorite products and routines. Let's create a positive and supportive community where we can all share our love for beauty and empower each other. See you in the next video. Stay gorgeous inside and out.